Gabriel's gonna rot in hell. I don't know if his name is Gabriel though. He won't tell me. I have to do the interview, so I'm just gonna film randomness. Patty's insanity. It turned out so much better than I was expecting it would. I shouldn't say that. I should be like, yeah, you know, some shit. I am not doing an interview, so this is it. It is. I'm not gonna do an interview, but I'll talk to the camera. Gabriel! It's Gabriel! Well, at the end of the day. Yeah, he was laying on like a sheet of plastic. I know it's kind of messed up, but I was actually thinking, like, okay, if I'm gonna shoot somebody in the trunk of my car, what am I gonna put down so I don't totally mess up the interior? Isn't that bad of me? I actually had to plot somebody's death for this thing. There should be more moaning. I need Ricky over there moaning. If I can get the camera this close enough, you can hear my stomach rumbling. What are those lights for?